Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kini kesin beningkong haki limpung ilakai. Bagi Nong Jingjop bandra ke khusnam. Dan ke trofi jongki, bat kini gelajar ke final jongki Asia Cup arajar apusan, hak bakala du kata ke India. Kamshim la yo ke trofi. Kadau bagi India kami yo ke trofi. Kedai nama bakam tere ban pediang ke trofi, nama ba ubreu bedai ban ai ke trofi. Shiki Nong udeu ban Pakistan, baru bat kumu chairman jongki Asian Cricket Council. Kata Muhsin Naqvi Babat ru hakajuk kapor, kumu chairman jong ke Pakistan Cricket Board, bat hakajuk kapor, udah menteri jong ke Senat Kampo Yeng ke Sarkar Pakistan. Ke India kelakran syai bakam trep benshim ke trofi, nak jong nong Pakistan, namar baga jinja ke belajar, hakir ke benai balaled. Hak bagi liat nok Pakistan, lahir thama bat sendet kuli yaki pat ba ke belui-lui hapa helgam, hak bagi India ru kenyan kela ya ke Pakistan. Kaladan kejing persang ban pensngo tho, yo Muhsin Naqvi buon IT no ya ka trophy haki wepat ban ai ka kenhun ke India henry umtre beruang bagade ka hok jong u kumu chairman ban ai ka trophy kumta ke India kalit phai yeng klem trophy wat la kade kanang job.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.